turn off the machine and open the lid. I'm going to take a 2.5mm wrench and remove 1, 2, 3 screws. Before we do that, we're going to unplug the snout motor, which is there. Unplug the main ribbon cable down here, and unplug the kickoff switch. Sorry, it took me a second to find the kickoff switch. There's the kickoff switch there. Now I'm going to undo the screws. Screw number 1. Screw number 2. Screw number 3. You can see I took off the spring because it gets in the way. Now here's a trick. Somehow the kickoff switch was routed underneath this board rather than over top. So I'm going to remove 2 screws there and bend the board a little bit to free up that wire. Alright, you probably won't have to do this, but to get that wire out, I've taken out those 2 screws. I'm going to flex that up. I'm going to fish that wire out. Again, you shouldn't have to do it, but in case you do, that's how it's done, removing those 2 screws right there so the board can flex. Alright, so I have liberated that from underneath the board. You're going to want to remember to put those 2 screws back in. But now everything should be disconnected and the probe should lift straight up and out. Probe goes right back on the same way, making sure that when you put the plate on, it registers on those 2 pins.